In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple strategy that you can use to start making $1,000 every single week with CPA marketing. It doesn't matter if you've never made a dime online, you can make money using this strategy as long as you watch this video to the end. And also, if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. As you can see right here, I offer a 30 minutes consultation where you can basically ask me all your questions relating to making money with CPA marketing. And also you can check out this course right here where you can enroll today and start making money in passive income with CPA marketing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is very simple. What I'm about to show you, you can also do with CPA Grip as well. All right, so the first thing you are going to do is to come over to Google and you want to type in any celebrity right here, and you want to also type in childhood photos. Okay, it doesn't matter, it could be a musician, it could be an actor or an athlete. All right, all you just need to do is type the name of this celebrity right here, and you want to make sure that whatever celebrity you are using is a popular celebrity. Okay, so once you type that on Google, all you just need to do is come over to these images right here, and you want to select a childhood photo of that celebrity. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this one right here as an example. So all I just need to do is to save this image to my device. So once you've done that, the next step is to come over to this website called paint.js.org. So once you do that, all you just need to do is click on this file right here, and you want to click on open, and then you want to drop the image you just downloaded right here. Okay, so once you do that, you want to click on this button right here, and you want to make sure to cover the face of this celebrity right here. All right, so once you do this, all you just need to do is click on save right here by coming over to file again, and you want to click on save as, and then you want to save the image to your PC. Okay, so once you save the image, now you want to go back to your account and you want to go over to the content locker tools. Like I said, you can use this with CPA Grip as well, and you want to create a content locker. You want to make sure you select this redirect URL, and you want to go back to Google and you want to copy this link right here. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is click on copy image address right here, and once you do that, you want to paste in the link right here. Okay, so once you paste in the link, all you just need to do from here, you want to click on create right here. So once you do that, you can copy your content locker link right here. Okay, so once you copy this link, anyone who comes over to this link has to complete a content locker to see the actual image. And now you may be wondering, how do you make money with this? All you just need to do from here is to go over to a website called imgur.com. And you want to click on this sign up right here to create an account. As you can see, this is a platform where people share images. Type in your username, your email, and your password right here. And you want to basically change this to United States right here. All right, so basically once you change this to United States, you want to go over to your app store and you want to basically download a lot of apps that are going to give you United States phone numbers. You can type in free USA number right here. All right, so once you type that on your app store, you can see right here there are so many apps that are going to give you free USA numbers that you can use to create an imgur account. All right, so for me, I'm just going to log into my account by clicking on sign in right here. So I'm just going to sign into the account right now. As you can see, I'm signing into the account. So now all you just need to do from here is to click on new post. And now what you want to do from here, you want to upload the image. So once you do that, now you want to write a title as simple like this. Can you guess the celebrity? Okay, so once you do that, you want to come over to this description right here, and you can type in something like find out here, and you want to leave a link to the content locker, but I recommend you use a landing page instead. So to do that, all you just need to do is come over to this website called breezy.io, and you can create a landing page in a few minutes. Okay, so once you create an account, all you just need to do is click on create new project, and you want to click on this create right here, and you want to click on edit project. So once you click on this edit project, all you just need to do is click on this plus right here, and now from here you can use any of these templates of your choice. All right, but I recommend you come over to click on this create your own. So once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to click on this right here, and then you want to click on this image, and then you want to drop it right here. Okay, and then you want to reduce this image a little bit, and you want to upload that image. So once you do that, and once you've aligned the image properly, all you just need to do from here is to click on button right here, and you want to drag and drop this button underneath this image right here. And all you just need to do is to type in something like click here. All right, so once you type in click here, now you want to go back to your content locker and you want to copy your content locker link. Okay, so once you copy the link, all you just need to do is to paste in the content locker link right here. And then once you're done, all you just need to do is to come over here and you want to click on this save, and then you want to click on publish page. So once you click on publish page, you want to come over to the dashboard right here. And now if I open this in a new tab, all right, as you can see right here, this is the landing page right here. So anyone who comes over to this page and they click on this link right here, they will be taken to the content locker where they have to complete a CPA offer to find out the actual image, which is this image right here. Okay, so the next step now is to go back. So now what you want to do from here is to copy this link. Okay, so I'm going to copy this link right now, and you are going to go to Imgur, and basically here you are going to paste in the link right here. All right, so here you want to erase this part that says HTTPS. All right, and then you want to come over here and change this and add a bracket and change it to dot. Okay, and then you want to come over to this site right here, and then you want to change it to dot. All right, so once you do that, people are going to know that you are trying to say they should go to this link right here, .breezy.site. Okay, so once they copy this link right here and they paste it in a new browser like this, all right, and all they need to do right here is to change this to dot. All right, as you can see right here, once they change it to dot like this, it brings them to this page, and if they click on this link, they get to see the content locker, and if they complete the offers, you make money. It's that simple. All right, so basically you want to repeat this strategy for as many celebrities out there. You want to make sure you go for popular celebrities. Okay, so now once you're done, all you just need to do is click on post to community right here. So once you do that, you are going to get a lot of traffic coming from the first world countries from Imgur. As you can see right here, United States, Canada, UK, and Germany right here. So basically this country right here are the major visitors of Imgur, which gets over 200 million visits every single month. All right, so if you do this for as many celebrities, I guarantee you are going to get a lot of traffic to your landing page, and you can start making passive income. And the easiest way to get the ideas is by typing in top 100 artists in the world. So you can type in something like this. All right, I hope you find some value in this video, and if you did, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.